Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Valorant account on PC. It's so simple and easy, so let's start. For the first step, before starting the Valorant setup, make sure that your PC meets the machine necessities of the sport. Typically, those encompass specifications along with the operation device, processor, RAM, and image card. You can discover these necessities at the Valorant website. Now for the next step, to deploy Valorant, you will need a Riot account. So if you don't have one, go to the legit Riot Games internet site and create a new account. Next, visit the respectable Valorant internet site. Make sure you log in into your Riot account. After that, on the home page, discover and pick out the download segment. Next, make sure to click on the download button to download the Valorant installer. Once you do that, you need to just run the installer and comply with the on-display screen instructions. After installing the Valorant consumer, the program will mechanically take a look at for updates, so you need to wait for the replace process to finish to make certain that you have the contemporary version of the sport. Next, you need to find the Valorant shortcut to your computer or inside the start menu, and then you need to launch the sport and input your right account credentials. After that, go through the authentication method and overview the person settlement. For the last step, after correctly coming into the sport, navigate to the settings to configure photographs, controls, and different preferences in keeping with your liking. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.